Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play this Call of Duty Mobile with a external controller or joystick. So let's get started how we can connect it. So what you need to do is click the setting button at the top of your screen. Scroll down the option. Click the controller. Click. As you can see, this is the setting for your controller. This is for multiplayer, this is for battle royale, and this is for the zombie mode. So this is the map of your controller. You can customize by this setting. Click the setting. So feel free to customize, but before you customize, you have to connect your controller by tapping the connect button. Click. So it have to connect with Bluetooth. As you can see, this is the information. Please pair your controller with your device via Bluetooth. So if you already connect with the joystick or the external controller, you can customize this, and also you can adjust the sensitivity per mode. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.